Hi, my name is Nikolai Federa. Welcome to another session of the topic on preposition. I will take you through this part whereby I'll be telling you about correct choice of preposition. Full of, I can tell you the basket is full of oranges. Afraid of, I'm afraid of Ola. Guilty of is guilty of negligence. He was charged for being guilty of negligence. Opposite to, I can say my house is opposite to another person's, you understand? Opposite of, what is the opposite of go? That is how to use it. Allergic to, maybe I'm allergic to eat beans. I'm allergic to cornflakes or something. When that means when you eat something, or maybe when dust touches my body or chalk now, maybe I can have rashes. Allergic to. Sympathetic with, when something happens to someone and you're sympathetic with the person. Entitled to, something you know is your own and you are entitled to it. I'm entitled to this property because my father gave it to me. Different from, I am different from Toby. My book is different from yours. Good at, when you say someone is good at mathematics, not someone is good in mathematics. Don't say that. Good at mathematics. Instrumental to, I'm instrumental to your success. I'm instrumental to the success of this one. Prone to diseases. Prone to some kind of something. When you know that when something happens to you, you are prone to having something like that. So you use prone to. Different from. Pleased with, I'm pleased with you because you have done something good for me. Alarmed at. Worried about, I'm worried about it. What has just happened? I'm worried about. Equal in. Accordance with, in accordance with, I'm very sure it's being used maybe when in the court of law, something in accordance with the constitution. Connection with, you are guilty because you have connection with this suspect. In defiance of, in pursuit of happiness. I'm very sure you must have heard that before. Interest in, I'm interested in transit, not on transit. I'm in transit. In the long run, I'm very sure you use that. In the long run, not on the long run. In the long run, flair for, I have flair for big cars. I have flair for, you know what you have flair for. Thank you so much. I'm very sure you must have learned a great deal. And kindly follow us on Examhood on all our social media pages. Thank you.